Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn multiple language support for custom entities in Dynamics CRM. So let's get started. To support the multiple language, we have to follow two steps. Step 1 is activate the languages in CRM, and second, export and import the translation solution. So let's see how we can activate the languages. Okay, so to activate the multiple languages, click on the advanced setting. In the advanced setting administration, you can see here on the option of languages. Click on that. Here you will see multiple languages are listed. So in this video, let's say we are activating French language. Click on apply. Then it will ask you to confirm the language change. Click on OK. So now your language is activating. This process of activation will take more than 30 minutes to activate the language. And once your activation is done, we'll move to the step 2, which is export and import translation solution. So the exported translation solution is in the zip format. So extract the zip file. Once you extract the zip file, you will see the two files, which is one is a content type and another one is a CRM translation. So open the CRM translation file by in Excel. So click on your Excel and open your CRM translation file. Once you open your XML file into the Excel sheet, your Excel will somehow look like this. Then our base language is English, so you can see the 1033 all the fields are filled. Now to start filling the translation for the French. Here the French code is 1036. So start converting the each and every label into the French. Once we are done with the converting translation, so click on the save this Excel file, and again convert it into the zip file and re-import the same zip file to the same solution using import translation button. Okay, this will take a few seconds, so let's wait. So once your import is completed, so click on close, and as here mentioned, publish your solution. So click on the close and click on publish all customization. So here is a quick note. So you can only import the translation solution back to the same organization from where it had been exported. You cannot export a translation from your one environment to the another environment directly. So you will need to go to the solution part to move the translations. So now our publish is done. So again now go to the personal settings. In the languages, click on change the language to French and click on OK. So now you can see the entire environment is converted into the French. So it's like app name, the entity name, location is changed to the French, then form, all the views, buttons and everything. So now click on the new button. Now the form is also translated into the French. All the labels and the fields are also translated into the French. So in this way you can convert your custom entities into the multiple languages. Hope this helps. Thank you.